How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So the last one did really well. I'm honestly surprised it actually did that well, and I'm super thankful for all the positive comments as well. It makes me want to continue making more videos. And basically this video, I am camping again. It's a longer weekend, so I'm gonna do some other things in this video that I didn't put in the last one that I wanted to put into the last one. But it was raining last night, but now it stopped raining. So I think it's the perfect weather right now to go throw some freaking cast out. So we're going to be doing that. But first, I'm going to be answering one of those comments that I did read. Basically going to give a little introduction of myself and basically tell you a little bit about me as well. So let's get to that first. So my name is Marcus, and I really enjoy camping as much as like you guys probably enjoyed the last video. I don't live full-time on the road as much as I would like to, or live in this thing. I pretty much do. I'm just a weekend warrior right now, but basically I just enjoy camping. I like fishing, just the great outdoors like everybody else seems to be like nowadays. So yeah, so this is a mid-80s truck camper that I bought for $1,400 and just slowly renovating it and making it my own. But it has its flaws. Like, I've had to dump probably a couple grand into making sure the fridge works and the furnace, but it's an older unit, so of course you're gonna have its flaws. Like, I had to fix some of the rot outside in the jack points on the driver's side. Man, that was a fun job. But it is a lot sturdier now because I put in some tie plates, because the way they had it from factory, this whole thing is pretty much nailed and screwed and stapled together. They're not built good, like structure wise, so I put a bunch of tie plates on every individual stud on the side of the wall, so it stiffens it up, especially if you're going under roads and stuff like that. The truck is a 1992 6.5 liter diesel. I've probably put more money into that truck than it's worth, just because it's your first truck. So and if you have a love for it and especially love diesels, you would understand. But I probably dumped what was it? Probably close to 10 grand of that motor just to make it reliable. It's just all seals and stuff like that were gone, and it's an old diesel, and when you don't maintain a diesel, it doesn't like to be reliable. More to say. Tell me how I found out. But yeah, it's a tractor on wheels pretty much, and it's just like the 7.3 and the 12 valve Cummins. Just tractors on wheels pretty much, and it's not no racehorse, but it does the job. There's a lot of people that tend to talk about 6.5 not being good for hauling. Yeah, going up hills you really notice it, but just normal coasting, it's pretty easy. You don't even notice anything. Depends on how heavy your unit is, obviously, or your whatever you guys call it, your rig. I don't know. I usually call it a rig, but yeah, it's a 2,500 because they did have a 1,500 and a 3,500, obviously, and then they 45, all that. But yeah, that's pretty much like my introduction. You notice how I rambled on there, because once I get on a diesel topic, I just can't get out of it. But yeah, that's a little bit about myself. But let's continue on with the video. Okay, so I'm in the middle of cooking some pasta right here. I got all the stuff set up for what I'm going to be making it with. Pretty much. But it's going to come out hopefully pretty good with all these spices I have in here to go into it. So the spices I'm going to be putting in is some chili powder, garlic powder, Italiano, I think that's what that is, and then we're going to go some onion powder as well, and some paprika. So once I usually put all like the spices, once like the sauce is in there, I don't like to put too much sauce in there, as you can see. It's like a lot of it in there is it's the hamburger fat too. I kind of just let it simmer just so it stays warm and warms up while the noodles cook. But I'm gonna be putting those in pretty shortly here. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy some beverages and just kind of chill out for the night. And then I might have a fire later. If not, it'll be tomorrow morning or in the afternoon at some point. Cheers. All right, so just finished cooking this up. I'm gonna, I don't know, give you guys a little bit of a review. Fantastic. Like all those seasonings that are like in the hamburger or ground beef, whatever you guys call it. The sauce is pretty good too. This is like one of my go-to meals. Usually if I want something easy camping to cook, I'll just cook pasta because it's just easy. You just whip up some ground beef, put some sauce in it, simmer it, and then boil some noodles, and pretty much that's all I really do. Simple. But I'm going to enjoy this, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it is later in the week. I've been procrastinating on filming the outro of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this like actual real camping video, and I will be filming another one this weekend. And until then, like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.